Mary Queen of Scots, aka Mary Stuart. Mary Queen of Scots was queen at 6 days old. Her father James V died this role Stuart. Didn't want a doctor, whatever she was called.
Stuart line with me shall pass, for it can well lass, it'll gang well lass.
I am Mary. I'm a queen.
I may be a queen, but just a female, just a woman, just a lassie.
Can we lass? 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 Gang we lass, can we lass, gang we lass. I am Mary, gang we lass. I'm a queen, gang we lass. I am Mary, Queen of Scots. Can we lass? I am Mary, Queen of Scots, and one day I'll be Queen of France.
Oh, King Henry VIII England? What's he wanting? Can he be good?
Dear Scots Lords.
What?
Dear Scots Lords.
What?
He's jokers up in Scotland, let's have some fun. I want Mary Queen of Scots to marry my son.
What?
I'll send yous money. I'll even flatter you. But if there's no wedding, I'll send my army up to batter you.
She can't stay here.
Here come the soldiers.
Nae fear, nae danger.
Hunters, English soldiers.
Can't send her off with any old stranger.
What if they get our queen? We can't take that chance.
Quick, send Mary to her relatives in France.
Aye, and see the English, we'll stop him at Pinky.
Dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonne le matina, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. They took me across the stormy sea to a place that didn't say I, but said we.
Mary Queen of Scots. In France.
Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonne le matina, ding dang dong. Jouer, danser, parler, j'ai entendu, je suis Marie. Hold on, I can speak French now? Jouer, danser, parler, j'ai entendu, je suis Marie. Hold on, we can all speak French now.
A beautiful childhood, full of dreams and songs and dances. Soon it was time for Mary to marry Francis. Mary's father-in-law was King of France. Just in one day, got killed by a broken lance. Just like that, Mary was Queen of France. Her life was a dream. Her life was perfection. Till Francis up and died for a lung infection.
1561, Scotland, again.
Mary landed in Leith, to a land changed in faith and belief. As a bairn she'd left the Catholic nation. But while she was away, they went and had a
Reformation!
Reformation! In the right corner, looking bonny, Mary Queen of Scots! In the blue corner, the Bible basher himself, John Knox!
Scots born, French raised, a post-French wifey all your days.
You can stick your Reformation. I'm the queen of all the nation.
You will neither want nor work, and you're no getting into my cuck.
You can see I'm the people's sovereign, can't you?
Aye, maybe. But see the people didn't want you. And you're spending way too much time with that wee Spanish fella. What's his name?
Spanish, nothing. He's Italian. He's Rezio. David Rezio.
Mary and her Italian secretary Rizzio Holyrood Palace, Edinburgh, in the room where it happened.
Sweet Rizzio, talk to me.
Mia amata, noi siamo destinati a stare insieme. Che provi ad affermarmi, gliela farò vedere.
You think you're so funny, eh? Talking all Italian to my wife. You'll no be so funny now, at the end of your short life.
Darling, husband, what are you doing?
Io non ho fatto niente, ritorna da tua moglie e lasciami andare.
Did he wanna be in the room where it happened? The room where it happened, the room where it happened. Did he wanna be in the room where it happened? The room where it happened, the room where it happened. In the room where it happened, David Rizzio, isn't he there?
But he left his mark on Scottish history.
Ciao, Rizzio.
I came into this world and they made me queen when I was just a lassie. I was married at 16 to a canny lad, a quiet loon. We loved each other in the spring of youth, but death took him too soon. Darnley, dear demented Darnley, you gave me my bairn. You were king to my queen, but you were crazy and stern. You're as jealous as your bro, and death came for you and all. My next good man was not a good man. I was just a wee pear in his big plan. Hepburn brought nae light, he just brought dark. And death found Hepburn in a prison cell in Denmark.
1587. Here's Queen Elizabeth I.
Wished yous lot. I ha' kept my cousin in captivity for years. But she was a pain, and she threatened little old me.
Ken what? She had to go.
In my beginning I was born a queen. There was suffering and troubles in my reign. I did all I could in the world of men. In my end I was alone.
At the end, I was alone.